Hi UNV 101 students. This is a quick screencast to make sure that you know how to turn in your assignment for the financial literacy module that you'll be doing online rather than in class with your instructor. So to get started in that module, you should have gone to modules as your instructor told you to, and you would start with the online financial literacy instructions for students. And up here at the very top, it says to make a copy of a worksheet. So I'm going to click on that worksheet, right? And it's going to force me to make a copy of a Google Doc. So I'll make that copy. And the instructions ask you to use your unique ID and your name. So I'm just going to leave that long title. Okay. So now as you're watching the presentation, it's a series of presentations, you're going to fill out this worksheet to make sure that you are engaging with the information. So again, you're just going to keep clicking next. And each of these presentations are about 5 minutes long. So it shouldn't take you more than about an hour to do this, even with filling out the worksheet. All right. After you've gone through all of the presentations, now you're going to get to the point where you need to submit the assignment. And the way I want you to submit it is to turn it into a PDF and then attach it. And so I want to make sure that you know how to do that because it's something that's pretty handy to know how to do. So I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, all right? And I'm going to say download as a PDF document. Okay, and so now it has made a download of that, and I'll be able to find it on my drive in a moment. And I can go back to the assignment. I can click on Submit Assignment. And I want to choose a file. And it's right there. So I'm going to open. And I can submit the assignment. And that's it. I hope you were able to learn a lot during this module.